my god, bro. There was not enough oil. What's going on YouTube, dudes and dudettes? For today's video, we're gonna be making a weird food combination. Chill out.
You ready?
Best of the best. We do this.
Hey! Let's go!
Yeah, so inside, so let me show you what we got. Got some good bread, you know what I'm saying? Some good bread. We got some good biscuit, you know what I'm saying? Like, to add a little bit of, yeah, I don't know. Granules. Mangoes. This tomato. Yeah, onions. So, yeah, let's get to work. I wanted to put pepper, I don't want to touch pepper, so. Okay, now, does this go harder?
Harder.
That's what she said.
What? Bro, what?
Apparently, I heard you could toast a bread in a pot. Like. Word. Scissors, my bro. Okay, now. Okay. I feel like we're getting somewhere. Word. Let me slice all this scissors. Hold on. Give me a minute. Look at this. It's kind of good, eh? Okay. I think it's working. It's working. It's like
A few moments later.
this is good. Oh my god. It's so good. Did you just burn this thing? Oh my god, bro. No, this one's good. This one's mine.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
There was not enough oil.
What?
No, that reaction is watching too much of Speed, definitely.
No, I don't look cute.
Oh, yeah, I just arranged my cup. How do I look? Yeah. Ladies, call me. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Never forget the bell. Never, never, never. Wait, we out. Yeah, show them what we got. Show them what we got. See, we got the bread, you know. Guys, a bit dry though, but like, yo, good as like. Who did this bread? Okay. We got the sauce, you know what I'm saying? Nothing better than the sauce, you know what I'm saying? Spice it up, man. You know? We got the biscuit, biscuit just, you know, flavor. Yeah, word. We got the tomatoes, anyone you want to call it. Yeah. We got the mangoes. Wait till we peel anyhow. Then perfectly sliced onions. See what you want to see. Spam the comments. Then we have the granite, G-nut as we call it, you know. Damn. Then the Sprite. You know, you can never go wrong with a bev. Never forget the bev. First thing first, I think I'm gonna slap the tomatoes there. Yeah. Word. Uh-huh. Yeah. W. Yeah. Yeah. This is seriously crazy. I ain't gonna cap. Why are we doing this? Yeah. Word. Feel me? Go close up. Word. Finally, we adding the sauce. Oh my god, it's looking so good. Look, it's coming together from a dream.
Stop the cap.
Okay, we got the granule, you know what I'm saying? We got a little bit of onions, you know. You don't want to have the stinky bread. We got them juicy, sweet ass biscuits to give a little bit of sugar. We have the mangoes, you know. So like, I don't know what the mango is there for, but like, yeah. We got the not burnt. Hey, come on. Whatever you want to say, it's not burnt, man. This is good as bread. Ain't no cap. Yeah. Word. Yeah. Oh, cowboys. Oh my god. Yeah. I forgot the meat, but I just put the meat now. Ain't gonna care. Oh my god. Woo! God. Nah, look at this. Look at this. Oh, look. It's going to be juicy.
Yeah, boy.
Ah! Okay. Chill out. Okay. I got the meat. I got the biscuit. I got the sauce. The sauce is. Oh my god, bro. Bro, it burns. It makes. This is not that bad. Come. This is a 10 or this is a 9. Look out, it's damn good. Like, the flavors are. So good. Never forget the bev. Good, you know what I'm saying? Nah, cyber. Smells chill. It's water. I'm broke. It was never fried. I don't want to video this. Like, nobody wants to see it. I'm gonna put it us. What the best of the best? We do this shit.
12 seconds later.
On a serious note, like being for real, like after the first bite, I'll be honest, that was good. So good. Do you know what dance came to my head now?
Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Well, let's end this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.